Gati Kinsesu for 406 crores. So a lot of individual stocks in focus. But let's look at the overall markets now. The first tick is in the green, so 40 points higher on the Nifty. The mid-cap index is the one that's really, not doing that great. So just a tad bit, I think, just a tad bit in the green on the mid-cap index. So do keep an eye out on that. The Nifty now is up almost about 36 or 40 odd points, 42 points to be precise. So a start in the green. What's leading on the way up is a couple of these commodity names. Hindalco is up almost 2%. ICICI Bank, as I said, is up about 1%. Maruti Suzuki is in the green. Reliance, Infosys, L&T, a couple of other heavyweights, Titan, M&M, Tata Steel are all in the green at the moment. Ultratech Cement is also in the green, up about 0.6%, batting for the bulls this morning. Apollo Hospitals and Wipro are a couple of other names that are holding up on the green side. On the downside, you have names like Sun Pharma. In fact, a lot of these, consumption companies, so whether it's Tata Consumer, whether it's Asian Paints, something like an Eicher Motor trading in the red. Bharti is a tad bit in the red, nothing alarming. Hero Motocorp also just a tad bit soft this morning. BPCL is down about 1%. ONGC, Adani Ports, and NTPC, a couple of other names that are in the red. So now you'd have to say it's a very quiet opening, really. No major move either way. Kalyan Jewellers is the one that's down almost about 10%. About little less than 3% equity has changed hands in Kalyan Jewellers. As we were telling you earlier, Warburg Pincus is looking to sell stake. So maybe that's what's played out right now, down almost about 9% But Nigel will take it away on the other stocks and focus on the broader markets. Otherwise, for the market, not a bad opening, holding on to 17,000 now.
Well, that's right, Sonia. And a few stocks are moving around. Paytm, that's a stock in focus. The KYC wallet customers can make payments on every UPI QR code and online merchant. So that stock is up close to around 1.5%. You have Kalyan Jewellers, Warburg Pincus, well, they sold close to around 2.5%. The problem is they still hold a large stake out there. So that's what's playing on it. That stock is down 10%. PNC, they bagged a new hybrid annuity highway project worth around 820 crores. So that stock, I think, had opened up well in the green. You have Dilip Bilkon, the L1 bidder for NHAI project for hybrid annuity project in Andhra Pradesh. That was worth close to around 780 crores odd. So PNC and plus one stock. Let's get the stocks that we're talking about up for you on the screen. PNC as well as Dilip Bilkon, both of them are reacting favorably. And Anand Rajan pre-open, well, that stock was up close to around 3%. And volumes are quite high as well. So just keep an eye out on that one as well. So we have a green start to kickstart trade. The mid-cap index is already in the red. So that's the problem pocket. Keep an eye out on the Nifty Bank. It's close to 250 points away from the 200 EMA mark. You'll get incrementally positive if the Nifty Bank can move up by 250 points from current reckoning and hold about those levels. Yesterday, we almost went to the 200 EMA, but immediately it went anywhere close to that. It was welcomed with a lot of selling pressure. So that's the problem pocket. Prashant, what else?
All right, 40 points now. So 17,025 is where we find ourselves at. This is open like what we saw yesterday. Slow, and then yesterday, of course, things picked up very sharply mid-afternoon before correcting. A few other names, Adani Green, Adani Transmission, both are down 5%. If you can have these intradays up. Now, only mentioning things with large volumes. Kalyan, of course, we, I think, spent time on. But Green and Transmission down 5 each. There is Bandhan Bank, which